Guys, welcome to a new video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make two cool things that is actually cooler than my other builds. Only one is. And guys, I'm going to show you how to build it, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first guys, you probably see something here. It don't look that perfect, but it's actually a door that you walk in, but I didn't put the other wall. So guys, you think this is not a door? Well, watch this. If I select everything except for that and this, everything should work. Watch this. If I unanchor everything, if I press this one right here, I have myself a working door. This actually works super perfect. Yeah, it actually works like easily and stuff. Yeah, you can actually see that goes all the way down. And if I keep on clicking the lever, it keep on going. So guys, you probably already know how to build this yourself. So guys, I'm going to show you how to build it if you don't know how to. So yeah. Okay guys, so after you have yourself a kind of genie like this, or if you like some help, you ready to go into it. Okay, first thing how this actually works is that you just basically have. And then you basically have two rectangles like this, kind of like a door. And then hold on a second. Sorry guys, I actually want to decorate it. If you want to, of course you can. So now I actually have this door right here, and it's pretty actually not that much door, but you probably already know how to do this by yourself. All you have is this rectangles like this, and then in the very middle you place two pieces that's like this. And then, come on. You place pieces as kind of like this, and then you actually have it set up. So, yeah, basically you have it set up, and one more thing you need here, yeah, so one more thing you need here is actually, the lever, this type of lever. You can use whatever lever you want, but do not use the button because it will just keep on closing up. Like, let's say watch this guys. Let's say if I want to use the button, like watch this. But only select everything except for this and this and this and this, and then these two pistons, and then this and this, and I make everything. Let's say if you want use a button. Like wait, what you? Yeah, I think it only open up to one, but it open up both of there, so we can actually see that you have your working door. So yeah. Let's say if I wanna go, yeah, you're free. And then let's say if I wanna go, let's say if the owner, our doors is a walkway. No, that's actually super cool. You can actually make a episode of this. Yeah, that's actually quite cool. Yeah, and this actually was easy to make. All you do is do something like that, and then you basically walk in here. Like, this is actually super fun. Like, this is actually so creative and what is it called, satisfying. Yeah, satisfying. This is so fun. Like, this door is so cool. Like, I'm gonna close it, and one more time. No. I wanna escape out of jail. Oh, wait, yeah, jail is open. Yeah, no, it's so close. One more time. Yay! No, you better not. No. Yay, I'm out of jail. Okay, and then, oh yeah, that was actually quite fun and cool at the same time. But guys, I'm going to show you something else you can make. Alright guys, here it is. This is called Big Dominoes, which you actually can play with. Hold on, in a second. So yeah guys, I actually covered it, so now we'll save it. Okay guys, I know the color kind of look really weird, but I just choose it, okay? Okay, just choose what you're awesome to be. And if I actually push this watch, it's kind of big as my body, but guys, look how perfect these dominoes look. Like, why we do that again? That was so satisfying to watch. As the door, I think the door's not that good, but it's kind of good.